When you look at a list of symbols that represent Puerto Rico, you'll undoubtedly find a bottle of rum included among them. Rum holds a special place in the history and culture of the island, deeply rooted in its colonial past and agricultural heritage. The story of Puerto Rican rum is a tale of innovation, economic transformation, and cultural identity. This narrative spans centuries, from the early days of sugarcane cultivation to the present. It began with the arrival of Spanish colonizers in the 16th century. They brought with them sugarcane, which thrived in the island's fertile soils and tropical climate. Initially, the primary focus was on sugar production, as sugarcane was harvested and processed into sugar for export to Europe. However, it was soon discovered that molasses, a byproduct of sugar refining, could be fermented and distilled into a potent alcoholic beverage. By the 18th century, Puerto Rico had become a major producer of sugar and rum in the Caribbean. The island's economy was heavily dependent on agriculture, with sugarcane cultivation and rum production playing pivotal roles. Large estates known as haciendas sprung up across the island, dedicated to producing sugar and rum. As Puerto Rican customs and identity were also forming and developing during this period, it was only logical that rum would become infused into the culture. Rum is deeply ingrained in Puerto Rican celebrations and festivities. It is often central to social gatherings, parties, and cultural events. For example, during festivals like the San Sebastián Street Festival and San Juan, or the Fiestas de la Calle San Sebastián and Old San Juan, rum flows freely as people come together to celebrate with music, dance, and food. Puerto Rican rum is also a key ingredient in several traditional drinks that hold cultural significance. The piña colada, made with rum, coconut cream, and pineapple juice, is a beloved tropical cocktail enjoyed both locally and internationally. Another iconic drink is coquito, a coconut-based rum beverage enjoyed during the Christmas season, symbolizing hospitality and familiar warmth. Aside from beverages, rum is used in cooking traditional dishes such as mofongo con camarones al ron, mashed plantains with shrimp cooked in rum, or flan de ron, rum-infused custard dessert. But it doesn't stop there. Rum also features prominently in Puerto Rican art, literature, and music, reflecting its cultural significance. Artists and writers often depict scenes of rum production, consumption, and its role in everyday life, capturing the essence of Puerto Rican identity and heritage. Today, Puerto Rico remains a producer of some of the finest rums. The most famous include Bacardi and the Sorales Distillery. Bacardi, which was founded in 1862 in Cuba and relocated in 1960 to Puerto Rico, is a global giant and the best-selling rum brand in the world. Their Casa Bacardi distillery in Cantaño is the world's largest for premium rum. The Sorales Distillery, which is located in Ponce, was established in 1934 with their flagship brand, Don Q, which is the top-selling rum in Puerto Rico itself. Beyond these two, there have been other notable producers, particularly in Arecibo, with players such as Barcelo and Marqués y Compañía, who produced the famous Con Palo Viejo before being acquired by Sorales. Historically and presently, different regions throughout Puerto Rico boast numerous rum producers like Jon Jave, Jon Condado, Jon Rico, and many more. In addition, illegal makers of moonshine rum, nicknamed Cañita or Pitojo, tend to operate in Puerto Rico, particularly around the holiday season. It's important to note that the Puerto Rican rum industry has seen consolidation over time. However, while Bacardi and Sorales remain dominant, New players are always emerging. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Help us to spread this video by sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.